Hello viewers, here we have, I'm not even sure what this video is going to be called. I'm just trying to figure out what's in this box. This is supposed to, I bought a lot of Uniden waterproof phones, and I thought they were, I don't know what I thought they were. I'm confused. Looks like we have one that's new and maybe some that are used, or it looks very dusty in the picture, so I don't think they're all new. But it's a cool original box to have. Okay, that's got personal information on it. And that's got personal information as well. Fortunately, these are easy to clean, but that's pretty gross. And that one is significantly better. Alright, let's see what we have inside of here. Looks like we have two waterproof telephones. Which I don't know how to get open. That looks a lot nicer than the cradle does. Same comment for this one. So then maybe what's in here is the main base and third handset. Maybe this is what's new. Oh, that's only expandable to 6? Huh, I thought these were all expandable to 12. I guess I was mistaken. Yes, this is brand new. Yeah, this looks to have never been used, never been opened. And until I have a use for this, that is how it's going to remain. But we will do an initial checkout on these two. Honestly, I'm not sure if these were ever used or if they were just stored in a dirty location. I mean, they're just dirty. They don't really have any signs of use on them, per se. This more looks like splashed on water or something. I don't know, we'll do another video for powering these up.